After entering text, values, and formulas, you are ready to format the worksheet. An attractively formatted worksheet helps people comprehend the data better as the data are easier to read. You can apply a cell style to format a cell with particular settings, such as a font, font color, fill color, and border. When you apply a cell style to similar data, you save time by ensuring the data are all formatted the same. Cell styles provide a colorful way to emphasize important data. If you plan to print a worksheet, you might want to center the title over the data columns. The Merge and Center feature in Excel combines selected cells and centers data, such as the title, over several columns. Let's delete the duplicate data before continuing. First, select the cell or cells you want to format with a cell style. Then display the cell styles gallery and select the style that contains the formats you want to apply to the selected cells. In this case, we want to apply the Heading 1 style to the title. With the range already selected, you can merge and center the data. The Merge and Center option combines cells in the selected range and then centers the title in the newly merged cell. You also merged and centered the date of the columns of data in the worksheet. To describe the data in a column, the column headings may be wider than the data in those columns. Select the labels in the range A4 to I4. Instead of having wide columns, you can wrap the column headings within their individual cells. The text in the column headings wrap within their individual cells for a better balance of headings with their columns of data. Applying horizontal and vertical alignment settings also helps balance headings and data for a professional appearance. You centered the column headings horizontally in their cells. Previously, you increased the height of row 1. By applying the middle alignment, you vertically center the title between the top and bottom margins of row 1. The indent feature is helpful to help show hierarchy of items within a category. Select the cells containing data you want to indent. In this case, you want to indent the products below the electronics heading. Excel indents the data 2 times from the left side of the cells. Indenting the specific product labels helps the electronics and furniture headings to stand out. After indenting data, you need to widen column A so that all the product names are visible in the column. Applying fill colors helps to offset headings or particular ranges of data in a worksheet. Fill colors also help people see the organization of data. In addition, applying borders can help people comprehend and visualize related data. Select the column labels on the 4th row and display the fill color gallery. The Theme Colors section shows various shades of a color in each column. For example, the 4th column shows various shades of blue accent 1. Although the column headings were already formatted with bold, centered horizontally, and wrapped text, the light blue fill color helps accentuate the headings further. The border around the range F4 to G12 showcases the % off discount rate and the sale price for the customers. By default, Excel does not display trailing zeros on the right side of the decimal point. This causes numbers not to align at the decimal point. You should apply appropriate number formatting to values so that the values in a column align for better readability and professionalism. Select the first range and then hold down the Control key as you select non-adjacent ranges so that you can format them at the same time. The accounting number format displays a $sign at the left side, aligns the commas in large numbers, aligns the decimal points, and includes trailing zeros for cents if needed. The % style format displays values with the % sign and as whole numbers. You increase the number of decimal places to show greater accuracy. To balance space, you can use the Align Right and Increase Indent option to make values appear centered in a column. The OKOS Pricing Information Worksheet looks much better after you applied font, alignment, and numbering formats.